Hello guys and welcome back. So in this lecture I will explain how to add a total row to a table. So first understand what exactly this total row will do. Guys, total row will allows you easily summarizing calculations. Okay, so it means if you want to get total sum of these tax values, we can use the total rows option. Okay, so first I will enable this total row option in this particular table. So first select any one cell in this particular table, then go to design tab. Then in this design tab, under table style options, we have one more option called total row option. Just enable this option. See, automatically this total tax value gets enabled. Okay, so this total rows option allows you more other operations, like if you can find this total sum of this total also available, and also if you want to find minimum value, maximum also are also possible. Okay, if you want to find averages also, we can use the total row option. Now I will show you. Just click on this cell. Under this total cell, just select this drop down. See, list of all the operations are available. Okay, so and also if you want to calculate total value based on criteria, it means, so just click on this more function. If you want to calculate total value, total sales value based on these colors. Okay, if you want to find total sales value based on blue color, so these type of scenarios we are using this function. Okay, just select this sum if function. See, here we have sum range, criteria and range. So sum range indicates total sales value. You can find particular colors total sales range, so that's why I'm selecting this total range. Okay, then select criteria. Criteria means which color sales we want to show. So these type of scenarios I am selecting blue color sales. I want to get blue color sales. Then select range, colors range. Okay, select this. Okay, click on OK button. See, total blue color sales value is 282 rupees. Okay, so these are the different types of operations we can perform in this total row option. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, thank you.